Hey gang, I'm Mike.
I'm Laura.
And we are Matchmead, and Laura is at it today. She's converting a ceiling fan from brass to
Oil rub bronze.
oil rub bronze. Trick question. So if you like this, we thought we'd share it. Easy way to convert. The paint is available. Home Depot, Lowe's is our favorite place to shop, but about a $7 job here to convert from brass to oil rub bronze, which is her preference.
It's a lot easier. If you buy a house and you don't like the brass, just take it down and spray paint it.
$7. So far, I've got about 10 minutes into the job, 5 minutes to uninstall, 5 minutes to paint, clean, prep, 5-10 minutes to rehang. So 30 minutes and you're converted. So hope this helps. Please subscribe, please like us, give us some comments. We just thought we would share. Have a great day.
Bye. Another key to it, you don't want to put it on thick. You can always go back and repaint it, because if you put it on thick, it'll start running. Here we go.
Good job, Laura. Looks good. What kind of a product are you using?
Valspar metal.
Get a close-up for everybody.
It's the oil rub bronze. Valspar metal.
So basically what you're doing is you're taking, is that a Harbor Freight ceiling fan?
No, that's a Hunter.
Hunter. So a Hunter, those are even more expensive, aren't they?
Yes.
And you're taking a brass Hunter 52-inch ceiling fan and converting it to bronze.
Yes.
Like you like.
Yes. It's a lot cheaper to do this than buy a new ceiling fan.
So have you used this metal bronze stuff before from Valspar?
Yes, I used it on the feet of our clawfoot tub.
And it stuck pretty good to the feet, didn't it?
Yes.
All right, gang, so there's an easy way. What is that, $5, $10?
I think it's 7 something a can.
All right. And you've got 2 jobs out of it, the feet and this.
Yes. And then if this one works, I'm going to do another ceiling fan.
And you can see she just used some styrofoam to put the screws in that were used. And it took us 5 minutes to uninstall and get it down.
Yes.
Right.
And I did make sure everything was washed and wiped off clean so the paint would stick to it.
All right. Good job, babe. Looks good, Laura.
So pretty. I want to keep it on so I can look at it.
Just want to look at it? Did a great job. Paint stuck good. No comparison to the shiny brass.
How different